Good morning, student. Now I am going to teach about your grammar topic modals. Firstly, I am going to tell about you what is modals. Modals are mood showing verb. That is also a type of verb, and that can be used as helping verbs and full verbs. And on the place of helping verb, we can use can, could, shall, will, may, etc. with verb. And when we are use the modals as a full verbs, where we can use do, did, does, and etc. There are different type of modals, but according to your syllabus there are only 10 type of modals. Firstly, I am going to tell about you can. Use of can means being able to. That means if in Hindi it means सकता है. It used to express ability, capacity, power, and strength. And here I am going to understand you about the ability and capacity with proper example. First of all, ability. It means I can read English very well. That is the work you can do very well. Another is capacity. A capacity means a person that do a thing in a different way. That means a paralyzed man cannot stand properly, and ordinary people can stand very properly. Another one is power. I can run very fast. I can climb up the high tree. That is your power. That you work with your power. Next one is strength. That means in Hindi we can say that is the quality of a people in which the people can do a work with a heavy strength. And here the example of strength, that means I can lift this heavy box. Another one is that we can use can in order to taking or giving permission, and in order to give or take order. First of all, you can take this paper. That means that is an order. You can give an order to someone that you can take this paper, you can take my pen. And another one is we can use the can as giving or taking permission, but can is a very informal way to seek the permission. So the most appropriate word to use for the permission is the may. Mostly people use can to take or give permission, but that is the incorrect word. So the most correct word to use to seek permission is the may. Mostly students use can I take your notebook. That is a very rude way to seek permission. So can is not used at the place to take or give permission. May is the most appropriate word that is used to seek permission. The another thing where can is used is the possibility or non-possibility. Sambhavna. The meaning of possibility is sambhavna. The first example of possibility, that means according to scientists, humans can stay on moon in coming years. That is a possibility that is not exist in reality. So we can use the can at the place of the possibility or non-possibility. Again, we can also use can where we ask question about the possibility of something. That can a blind person see? Can a horse fly? That is a possibility that is not exist in reality, but that is also a type of question. So can is also used here. And in the negative form of can, the negative form of can is cannot, and in the short form we can speak is as can't. And the place where we use can is that express ability, capacity, power, and strength. And in the negative way, we can use can't on the place of weakness, no strength, no power, or inability. For example, a beggar do not have enough money, so he cannot buy food. Whereas also we can say that he can't buy food. And the another example, a blind person cannot see. We can also use can't at the place of cannot.